Well, I've got a teeny tiny Henry Hoover. Look, right, let's just get it out. I meant the Hoover. Honestly, I'm so excited. This is an actual miniature replica of the tiny Henry Hoover. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, right, let's get it going, It's a good job I've got a ring door light, because this is the only little screwdriver that gets the tiny screw out. So that was lucky. Finally, I found some batteries. It takes 2 double A's, not triple. So we're gonna pop them in here. Is that right? Does it take? It takes 3. I've only got 2. Right. Okay. That's all right. The hunt continues, people. Bear with me. So right, my next door neighbour, he saved the day. Right, back to the video. So here it is. Turns on. These are all the little attachments. Look. It's like a proper Henry. It's got the hose. It's got the long one. The bendy tube. Look. Oh, hang on, wrong way. Oh, no, that is the right way. Like that. Now, we gotta make a tiny mess for the tiny Hoover. I think a digestive will do it, won't it? Oh, everyone on Satisfied TikTok are not gonna be happy today. Look at that mess. Don't come here if you're looking for super satisfying videos, because... Okay, we'll just brush that off. Right, you ready? Teeny tiny Henry. To the rescue. Let's pick up a tiny mess. I won't lie, it's not the most powerful thing in the world, right? But doesn't it look cool? If you want to give this as a Christmas gift, it's from firebox.com. Thank you guys for the for this video in my bio.